This is Honor X6, and today I will demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So the first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the available control panel shortcuts, touch and hold at the nearby share. Then switch this toggle on in order to activate the feature. From here, you can rename the device if you want to. You can also turn on and off the device visibility, as well as restrict the visibility to only to your devices, only to your contacts, or to everyone who is currently in range, or, well, not restricted at all then. And finally, you can modify the data mode, or data transfer type rather. So you can make it so that the files will be transferred through the mobile data usage, Wi-Fi only usage, or without internet, thus Bluetooth. Then, at this point the feature is all set up and ready to be used. So let me try sending something from another phone that I have. So let's see, this screenshot, why not? So here is my X6. Then I gotta accept the transfer request at the receiver's end. Wait until the file sending request will come through. I hope it will not take a lot of time, but it might sometimes malfunction. So, well, we probably will need to cancel the transfer and restart it. Maybe the request will go through this time. Already, here it is. Just accept the file transfer, wait until it gets sent and received, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.